Let me ask you something uncomfortable. India, the youngest workforce in the world, is about to have over 1 billion people of working age. That should be our biggest advantage, right? Except the future we're entering is being shaped by something we weren't ready for: artificial intelligence. AI is already replacing coders, writers, designers, and support agents. Not next year, right now.
I think this year, probably in 2025, we at Meta, as well as the other companies that are basically working on this, are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write code.
So what happens when millions of Indians ready to work realize that machines are doing their jobs better, faster, and cheaper?
Of observation be on AI and the impact on labor markets and people's jobs and how they should feel about that as they think about this.
Will we fall behind or rise up? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Behind the Unicorn. Today's story isn't just about one startup, it's about a nation, a workforce, a generation. This is a story for you. If you're building your career, running a business, or just figuring out where the world is headed. Because the next 10 years, they'll define India's place in the global economy. Let's get real. We used to think AI was just some futuristic Silicon Valley thing. But now, you can ask ChatGPT to code an app, design a pitch deck, write a legal contract, and it delivers in seconds, something that used to take hours from a skilled professional.
On Google and you will never find things like that. You have to search and ask more and ask more.
So it's important for people to understand how does it get the information. So it surfaces the web. So it does get the information from Bing, from Google, from YouTube, from all the other links. It has this power of, it would take you probably a couple of days.
Globally, experts estimate 83 million jobs could be lost to automation by 2030. In India, we're especially vulnerable, not because we're weak, but because we're young and we have numbers. Too many people chasing too few safe jobs. And guess what? Even those safe jobs aren't so safe anymore. Here's where India's case is different. Unlike the West, our workforce isn't all white collar or digital. In fact, 90% of Indians still work in the informal sector. Farmers, street vendors, tailors, delivery boys. Many of these jobs haven't even experienced full digital access, and now AI is skipping them entirely. Meanwhile, in metro cities, junior engineers and content writers are already being replaced by tools that cost 200 rupees a month and don't make typos or take breaks. It's brutal. But this is also where the opportunity lies. Because the next wave of growth won't come from Silicon Valley, it'll come from those who solve India's unique problems. And we are seeing that happen in places no one thought to look. Startups like Scalar, Masai School, and PW are making job-ready education accessible without traditional degrees. Platforms like Kutuki, Lokal, and Josh Talks are teaching communication, public speaking, and coding in local languages for local minds. They're not just tech companies, they're equalizers. They're building bridges between where India is and where it can be. So let's flip the script. Instead of asking, will AI take our jobs? What if we ask, can India lead the AI revolution on its own terms? Look at what's already happening. Agritech startups are using AI to help farmers track crop yields and reduce losses. Health tech companies are diagnosing eye problems through a smartphone camera. Fintech platforms are helping daily wage workers manage micro savings and loans with AI-backed insights. This is India's real opportunity. Use AI not to replace people, but to empower people who've always been ignored. That's how we win. We still face gaps in education, digital divide mindsets that chase stability over innovation. Our schools still teach memorization. Our parents still dream of government jobs. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Many of the jobs we're preparing for might not even exist in 5 years. We have to train people to solve problems, not just follow instructions, because in a world of AI, being obedient won't help. Being curious and creative will. India has everything it needs to turn this into our century. We have scale, we have hunger, and we have stories no one else can replicate. But now we need urgency. We need bold builders. We need parents, teachers, investors, all to believe in the new path. This isn't a tech revolution. It's a mindset revolution. And the sooner we embrace it, the faster we'll write a future we're actually proud of. So, what do you think? Are we ready for the AI wave? Or are we pretending like it's still far away? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this made you think, hit like, subscribe to Behind the Unicorn, and join us as we decode India's biggest transitions. What should we explore next? Zoho, India's most profitable bootstrapped empire, or Ather, the EV startup giving Tesla a run in India. Type it below and we'll make it happen. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep building.